I got 16 bounties on this poet of mine. There's no chance in winning, so I might as well try. That big red sun is about to go down. Well, I guess it's high time I got the fuck out of town. Need to find a place where I can rest and be kind. Got too much longer stuck behind my eyes. Need to find a place in the middle of beyond. Well, I tell you, little angel, you'll never know I'm gone. And as the tops of the trees turn from golden to green, and the river sighs softly to her, well, as the lights rolling in, I roll a joint again, and the city cries softly to her. Everyday people are trying to find that perfect train to get them where they're going on time. For me, that's the hardest thing I've ever known. So watch for me walking down that big open road. If I don't pay attention, I'll be a slave to my mind. Don't need to wait for all my stars to align. The silver dollar moon is the same as mine. She wants to hear it speak, but I just let it shine. And as the tops of the trees turn from golden to green, and the river sighs softly to her, well, as the night's rolling in, I roll a joint again, and the city cries softly to her. Well, sometimes you gotta break from this world. Sometimes a pretty girl, just another pretty girl. And as the tops of the trees turn from golden to green, and the river sighs softly to her, well, as the night's rolling in, I roll a joint again, and the city cries softly to her.